have a Mitsubishi Outlander Sport here, and I'm going to show you how to open up the hood. So first thing you're going to do is open up the driver's side door, and then I'm actually going to sit in here just so it's easier to see what I'm talking about. Is you're going to come in, and when you're driving right where your left leg is here, you're going to see this little tab. You're going to just grab that and pull, and you don't have to get into the car to do this. When you pull on that, you'll hear a little pop in the front, so we'll go to the front of the car. Now that we've popped that hood from the inside, we come around to the front of the car. We're going to pull up on this hood with our left hand, and then you're going to take your right hand and pretty much right above this Mitsubishi symbol, there's going to be a little tab. So we're going to lift up with our left. Put your right hand, palm down, slide to the left. You'll feel that tab right there. Slide it to the left, lift up. Once you have that, right here you're going to see your hood rod or hood holder. We're going to pull that up, and then we're going to connect that to the hood here. Make sure it's secure before you release with both hands, and we have that secured. Just to undo it the opposite way, we're going to push up on the hood, pull that out, connect, and we lower our hood. What I like to do, set it there, make sure that that safety latch is there. Take both hands, firmly push down, and now you have secured your hood. That's how you open and close the hood on the Mitsubishi Outlander. Hopefully this helps you. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.